latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Annapolis has issued a tornado warning for northern Monroe County, south central Morgan County, southeastern Owen County until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Spencer, or 16 miles west of Bloomington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Spencer and McCormick's Creek State Park around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Gillespie, Gosport, and Steinsville around 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Paragon around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Monroe, Morgan, and Owen.